What's up guys, and welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download ChatGPT for your desktop app. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because at 10k subscribers I'm going to show you my complete strategy on how to make money online. So let's jump into the video right now. In order to start, you have to go to the chatgpt.com website, as I am in right now. And to download, we are going to the right above little circle. We click on it, and now we can see download the macOS app. It is currently only available at macOS, and in order to download it and to use it, you need to have macOS of 14 plus. So actually the newest version of macOS on MacBooks or iMac. Versions that are older are currently not available, maybe in the future, but not at the moment. But we're going to download, so we click on download the macOS app. As you can see, it has downloaded. ChatGPT desktop public latest. We click on this, and now you can see we have our ChatGPT installer. And right now I am recording this on a MacBook that is not 14 plus, but the process is exactly the same for if you have 14 plus. You just basically swipe the ChatGPT white icon onto the applications, and then the installment process will continue. You have to click against a couple screens, but now it will download, and that's basically how you do it, guys. When you have it installed, it will pop up in the Launchpad. I will show you. You click on Launchpad, and then your ChatGPT icon will pop up in here, and then you're completely free to use. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.